Storms developing here as we do have the system that continues to move in from our west-southwest, tracking right through southern Minnesota. So we still have some forcing to play with. Now, we don't have the heat at this point because of the fact that we did have the rain and storms earlier this evening. That took our instability down a notch. So while I don't expect the risk for numerous or scattered severe storms at this point, I still can't rule out an isolated severe storm, and I definitely can't rule out some flooding concerns. So you can see storms still developing here into Hennepin County. We have a couple stronger storms towards Sibley County again, as well as now Scott County, looking at heavy rain moving into first western Scott County. I mention that because these are areas that have already had very heavy rainfall. Scattered storms continue across southeastern Minnesota as well, and they're still developing. So we have downpours with any storms that develop. You can see that frequent lightning towards Sibley County, Le Sueur, looking at heavy rain right now. And I can't rule out, again, some flooding concerns where we've already had an inch or two of rain, and these rainfall rates are up to close to 1.5 inches to 2 inches in an hour. So you can see how that would add up and lead to some flooding. If you do encounter any flooded roadways, don't drive through them, find an alternative route. Right now, again, you can see storms and showers developing into the metro. And in terms of our rainfall totals, where you're seeing purples, that's 1 inch or 2. So the South Metro already has seen that, not widespread, but scattered. And where you're seeing these reds, that's even closer to 3 to 4 inches of rain. So if we do end up having some stronger storms, especially south of 94, I think we could have some localized flooding towards Mendota Heights and towards much of the South Metro. We have 2 flash flood warnings in place. And this is in place in Goodhue County until 11, as well as for Wabasha County till 11:30. Flooding is occurring there, especially with area streams. If you do, again, encounter a flooded roadway, don't drive through it. Tonight, the risk for strong to severe storms is mainly before midnight and mainly south of the Twin Cities. We're back in the mid-60s with patchy fog tomorrow morning. Your 7-day forecast.